Very warm good morning to everyone present here. I'm Khyati.
And I, Chirag, welcomes you on behalf of a Class 6P. Today, we are here to explore one of the most important pillars of Indian democracy, Panchayati Raj.
It is a system that brings governance to the grassroots level where every voice matters. It reminds us that leadership is not only in big cities but also in every village lane where people work together for progress.
A system that gives villagers the voice, the vote, and the vision for their own future, where every villager plays a role in building a strong and self-reliant India.
So let's begin our presentation with great enthusiasm and respect for this powerful idea that truly empowers villages.
Good morning, everyone. Let's begin today's assembly with prayer, seeking blessings for a fruitful day. May we be inspired to make a positive impact in our communication.
Now I request you all to please stand up and get ready for the prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. By narrow domestic walls. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where words come out from the depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into ever-widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Let my country awake.
A good thought can inspire us to do good things. So now Dhurvani Gandhi of our class is going to speak an inspiring thought.
Panchayati Raj, the system of local self-governance, is a vital mechanism for democratic decentralization and rural development. Panchayati Raj, the system of local self-governance in India, is a vital mechanism for democratic decentralization and rural development.
Now, let's have a group discussion on the role of Panchayati Raj in rural development. Our classmates will share their thoughts and ideas on how we can contribute to it.
The voice of the people may be said to be God's voice, the voice of the Panchayat.
Introduction. Panchayati Raj is a form of local self-government in India. It empowers villages to make their decisions and manage their affairs that affect their daily life.
Historical background. The concept of Panchayati Raj dates back to ancient India. However, it was formally introduced in modern India in 1959. Rajasthan was the first state to implement it. The system was later ended by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment in 1992, which gave constitutional status to Panchayati Raj institutions.
The National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated on 24th April.
3-tier structure. Panchayati Raj systems has 3 levels: Gram Panchayat at the village level, Panchayat Smiti at the block level, and Jila Parishad at the district level. Each level has specific function and responsibilities, ensuring effective governance at all levels.
Role of Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adult members of a village. It plays a crucial role in decision making. The Gram Sabha approves plans and programs for the development and ensures transparency and accountability in the Gram Panchayat.
Functions of panchayats. Panchayats are responsible for various functions: building and maintaining infrastructure like roads and water supply, implementing health and sanitation programs, promoting education and skill development, facilitating social welfare schemes. These functions contribute to the overall development of rural areas.
Reservation for women and marginalized communities. The Panchayati Raj system provides reservation for women and marginalized communities. 1/3 of the seats are reserved for women and ensure their active participation in governance. It also ensures their representation of minority classes, promoting inclusivity and social justice. National autonomy. Panchayat has authority to manage funds allocated by the government. They can levy taxes and collect fees for local services. These five national autonomy enable panchayats to plan, implement development activities and reducing dependence on higher level of government.
Challenges faced by Panchayat. Panchayats face several challenges: limited financial resources, lack of awareness among the citizens of their right, political interface in Panchayat functions, insufficient training for elected representatives. Addressing these challenges is essential for effective functioning of Panchayat.
Measures of strengthen Panchayat. Various measures can strengthen Panchayat, providing training to elected representatives, conducting awareness programs for citizens, ensuring financial transparency and accountability, reducing political interference in Panchayat activities. These measures enhance the capacity of Panchayat to serve the community.
Empowerment of women. The Panchayati Raj system has empowered women, increased participation in decision making, addressing issues like domestic violence and child marriage, promoting gender equality in rural areas, inspiring other women to take part in governments. Women's leadership has brought positive changes to rural communities.
Role in rural development. Panchayati Raj play a vital role in development, promoting suitable agriculture practice and infrastructure and basic service, increasing the quality of life in rural area and infrastructure and basic service.
Technological advancement. Technology has improved Panchayat functioning digital platform for record keeping and communication, online portrait for service delivery, use of mobile application for monitoring and evaluation.
Training program through digital medium. These advancements enhance transparent and effective.
Success stories. Several panchayats have achieved success, implementing effective waste management system, improving literacy rate through community, enhancing healthcare services in remote areas, promoting renewable energy sources. These success serves as models, but others to emulate.
Thank you.
Now, some students of our class are going to present a skit on Panchayati Raj, showcasing the challenge and success of local governance. Let's enjoy and learn from the performance.
Scene 1. Classroom curiosity. Expanded. In the village, the school is in session. Today's lesson: how panchayats listen to the people and bring change.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now, who can tell me what does Panchayati Raj mean?
It's when the villagers like their leader, the sarpanch and panchayat, to help local people.
It happens at village blocks and district levels.
Excellent. Why do you think listening to villagers are important, Raj?
Because if people speak about their problems, the panchayat can help fix them like roads or water.
Exactly. Let's visit a real Panchayati meeting.
Scene 2. Gram Sabha meeting under the tree. Under the banyan tree, the villagers gather to speak and to be heard. Now, I will be introducing you to the Sarpanch of the Gram Sabha. Let's welcome the Panch Member 1 and Panch Member 2. Here comes the secretary. Let's invite the Patwari and Anganwadi worker. Here comes all the villagers. Here comes the teacher with the students.
Namaste, Sarpanchji.
Namaste.
I'm the teacher of the government school. My students want to join your Gram Sabha. Can we join you?
Yeah, sure.
Children, sit there.
Sarpanji, the roads are full, low potholes, my tractor gets struck. Sarpanji, children come home late because there is no street light.
It's dark and safe while coming back home late in community.
Thank
you all. Panchayati Raj means your voice guides your work.
Let's allocate the village funds to repair the road.
I will be applied to the blocks for solar street light.
Sarpanch ji, now lights are safer and greener.
Long live Panchayati Raj. Scene 3. Quick BPL list check. The Gram Sabha meeting finalized the BPL. Only the truly needy should benefit.
Preliminary list by the committee.
Sarpanch ji, Ramu has a TV and his son a motorcycle. How is he BPL? Sarpanch ji, Raghav owns land. He shouldn't be here.
Om Prakash is very landless and poor. Why his name is missing?
There is something wrong in this list. Community, verify them.
Yes, Ramu and Raghu are eligible.
Om Prakash was missed. His house was locked during the survey.
Sarpanch ji and Om Prakash remove Ramu and Raghav. Done. Any objections? You may appeal to SDM within a month.
Panchayati Raj ensure fairness. Only pools are held.
Scene 4. Solar power arrives at the Panchayat office. Solar panels, street lights and pumps are visible.
Look, the solar panel on the roof are working.
Yes, thanks to PM Suryaghar and Kusum schemes, we get up to 350 units and solar pump works all day, no electricity bill.
We can study longer at night on the street light.
Sarpanch ji, and the pump waters crop without costing us. Sarpanch ji, if we produce extra electricity, we can sell it to the grid and earn income for the village.
Solar is both helpful and sustainable.
Scene 5. Examples and celebration, richer interaction.
Sarpanch ji, we are not alone. Parlin Jammu became India's first carbon neutral panchayat with about 500 kilowatt in just 3 weeks.
Amazing!
Gala in Gujarat solarized every building, about 450 kilowatt funded by local foundation.
Sarpanch ji, look at Paramati in Kerala. It runs entirely on solar too.
Sarpanch ji, our village joins them. From Pothals to power, our panchayat heard us and delivered a real change. United by Panchayati Raj, powered by our son, our village shines as one. The Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat are linked with each other through these meetings. This helps the panchayat to know about the problems of the villages and work for the welfare of the people. Thank you.
Now Dhanya Bhatia, our class is going to recite in Hindi poem. Let's celebrate the spirit of community and local governance.
आया पंचायत राज देखो मेरे गांव में, जगी है ग्राम सरकार देखो मेरे गांव में, ग्राम सभा होती है हर महीने देखो मेरे गांव में, बच्चा बच्ची पढ़ने जाते देखो मेरे गांव में, है आधुनिक स्वास्थ्य केंद्र, शिक्षा के संग योग केंद्र, खेलों में बच्चे हैं जितेंद्र, खुशियाँ लौटाते अप्सरा इंद्र, जन भागीदारी का कमाल तुम देखो मेरे गांव में, जैविक खेती करता किसान देखो मेरे गांव में, गांव बना पुण्य तीर्थ आओ मेरे गांव में, थोड़ा सा आराम तुम भी करो घरे पेड़ की छांव में, आया पंचायत राज देखो मेरे गांव में, बह रही है विकास की गंगा देखो मेरे गांव में। धन्यवाद।
With a heart full of hope and mind full of joy, now Khyati of our class is going to recite an inspirational English poem.
A nation's heart, a beating drum, with laws and rules, its rhythms come. The government, a guiding hand, to shape and mold the promised land. But shadows lurk in the hall of power, where influence can soar hour by hour. The people's voice, a whispered plea, can be lost in the grand decree. A delicate balance, hard to find, to serve the many, be just and kind. For in this dance of power sway, the people's trust must light the way. A beacon bright, a steady light to guide us through the darkest night. The government, a sacred trust to build a future strong and just. Thank you.
Now let's get ready to enjoy a lovely English song performed by Dak Sharma of our class.
Past now, I know what it takes to rule this town. I'll do the till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Leave my sunglasses on while the shadows here. It's never the right time. Yeah. I put my arm around to show you how strong I am. I put my arm around to show you that I'm unstoppable. I'm a warrior with no break. I'm invincible. Yeah, I'm in every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today, yeah. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Thank you.
Before instrumental, no lyrics, no worship, just pure emotion. Falling through the every note, get ready to experience the beauty of sound in its purest for with this instrumental performance.
Now some students of our class are going to present a beautiful Hindi song. Let's enjoy the music. And remember, music brings us together, lifts our spirits, and reminds us why are we here as one school family.
Now let's enjoy a classical dance performance that shows the cases the cultural richness of India. Let's appreciate the talent and the creativity of our students.
That celebrates the theme of women empowerment. Let's enjoy the energy and enthusiasm of our students.
युगों युगों से एक पहेली है जो कभी नंगे पांव से आंगन में खेली है जो कभी इंद्रधनुष बन के खनकती है कलाई में वही शक्ति है नारी जो कविता कली कहानी बन जाती जिसकी एक करवट वक्त को बदल जाती जो प्यार से रुतबा दे शामों से ऊंचा जो जिद पे आ जाए तो समय को बदल देती वही शक्ति है नारी नारी छोटे से नन्हे हाथों में अपनी जैसी ही प्यारी गुड़िया संभाले छोटे से कच्चे धागे से सारी उम्र का तो रिश्ता बना है तुझसे ही है रोशनी तू ही जीवन तू खुशी अब संभाल में साया बने तुझसे शुरू दुनिया सारी तू ही है माँ तू ही है बेटी हमारी कई रूप है तेरे
चिन्ह तोड़ कर जब उत्तरों को चूम ले। वो शक्ति है, 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 वो शक्ति है। वो आ गई जो जिद पे क्रोध देगा, रुख भी मोड़ेगी, जो ले लिया है एक बार प्रणव करके छोड़ेगी। रात उसके ठीक हाँ लेने कोई भी डगर न, दर्द की उसे फिकर न, चोट का ही कोई डर।
शिक्षा जीवन का सबसे अनमोल खजाना है, क्योंकि यह इंसान को सोचने, समझने और आगे बढ़ने की शक्ति देता है। जब नारी शिक्षित होती है तो वह न केवल अपना भविष्य संवारती है, बल्कि अपने परिवार और पूरे समाज को प्रगति की ओर ले जाती है। शिक्षा नारी को आत्मनिर्भर बनाती है और उसके भीतर ऐसा आत्मविश्वास भर देती है जो हर कठिनाई का सामना करने का साहस देता है। याद रखिए, शिक्षित नारी समाज की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है, क्योंकि वही अज्ञानता के अंधकार को मिटाकर पूरी दुनिया में ज्ञान और प्रगति की रोशनी फैलाती है।